Hi, this is Carole Conlon, and we're talking today, tip number 3 on dealing with spirit. Today's topic is about the soul and flame families, and the question is, where's your place in the universe? Typically, the belief is that there are many different soul families. I studied with Charlie Moondance, Native American, and for her world, it was each soul family was one of the colors of the rainbow. Okay, each soul family is a very, very large group of spirits working together on specific projects. If you think of the soul family as a flower with petals, then each petal of that flower is what they call the flame family. In each flame, you have originally 9 souls that, when we started to incarnate for that reason, we split into duality. So actually, there are 18 flame mates in each petal. One of them is the other half of the split of the monadic soul, and the other 17 are close kinfolk, and they are the ones that you're going to work with throughout many, many, many incarnations as your flame family studies and does assignments for source, it's like we're working with plays. We have to redo the play many, many, many times so that each of the folk in the flame family can take a different part. And once you've had all the parts of the play, you know about the topic, and it's cool. We're done. You can get another topic. But in the meantime, you are working very closely with other flame mates and occasionally those souls from outside your flame family, and even your soul family sometimes. These are the souls when you're walking down the street and you see somebody and you go, I know you from somewhere. Well, it could be from many somewheres, from many lifetimes when the two of you have been in a dance in some type of relationship, growing karma, clearing karma, helping each other, marrying each other, being the child of whatever. These are the souls that are also kind of gathering right now. And in a lot of cases, people are being drawn back together in their as their flame mates. So you really will find yourself close knit with some of these folk. So expect in these coming times right now to be aware of people that you don't know that you feel like you really know them, because you do. And often you'll be being brought back together to get karma cleared or to finish a contract that you have with them that's set up for this lifetime. Keep looking, and don't be surprised if you start finding some familiar faces out there. Good hunting, and that's our third tip on the spiritual connections, and see you in the next tip.